I give you introduction, inshallah. Today we will start like with the introduction of Tajweed. So, do you know what Tajweed is? I sometimes tell you to go between the teeth, read that letter like that, do not read that letter like that, right?
Yeah.
What does that call?
Tajweed.
Sorry?
Tajweed.
Tajweed. That's right. So, Tajweed, it's that the word is a concept. That concept, it has a meaning. Okay, refers to something, ya Shayan.
Yeah.
So, the word tajweed refers to the rules that control the reading of the Quran or the recitation, Quran recitation. Okay,
Okay.
so the meaning of tajweed, the tajweed, the whole science, the whole subject entrusts every single letter of the Quran. It's right and what it deserves during recitation with respect to its pronunciation, description, and the stretching. Okay? Does it make
Okay.
sense?
Yeah.
So, like when we go between the teeth in letter tha, tha, va, right? And when we do not go between the teeth in other letters, stretching like word as-sama, okay? All these things actually it has a rule, okay? It has something belong to. Some rules, these rules entrust us every letter of the Quran. It's right and what it deserves during recitation with respect to its pronunciation, description, and stretching. Okay? You with me?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you repeat the meaning of tajweed?
It's it's still and it's like stretching the letter,
Mm-hmm. Yes.
like the sound, the pronunciation of it.
We can say it just tell you how to read Quran properly. Okay?
Okay.
التجويد tells you how to read Quran properly. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
So, question. What is the purpose of tajweed? Learning tajweed. I just said it seconds
It's to
before.
it's to protect the Quran from mistakes
That's
and reciting.
that's right. Yes, that's right. The rules of tajweed protects the Quran from mistakes. Okay? When you read Quran or any beginner reads the Quran, he does mistakes. Why? Because lack of education. He doesn't know tajweed, okay? He doesn't know how to read Quran properly. So we teach him tajweed to protect the Quran from being read with mistakes, okay? Or from any reader to do mistakes while reciting Quran or reading Quran, okay?
Okay.
Also, when you read Quran with tajweed, you beautify the recitation, okay? It beautifies the recitation and the reader obtains blessings for every single letter pronounced correctly during the recitation. Okay?
Okay.
Again, the rules of tajweed protects the Quran from mistakes
Okay.
when it is being recited, right? Additionally, it beautifies when you read Quran properly with following the tajweed rules. It beautifies the recitation, and the reader obtains the blessings for every single letter pronounced correctly during the recitation. Okay, so now we had two sections: the meaning of tajweed. Okay, what is tajweed? And the purpose of tajweed. Okay, and they are actually connected. The meaning and the purpose they are connected. Okay.
You deleted it.
Okay.
It's not in the DMs.
Number
So why
three,
get
the
flagged?
rulings of the. That's a Shamir.
Yeah.
You send it? Is he playing a game?
Yeah.
Okay.
Was?
Okay.
Okay.
The rules of Tajweed. Okay. The rules of Tajweed.
Why?
Is it mandatory for everyone to learn the Tajweed rules?
Yeah.
Yes, somehow. Somehow. Okay. Learning the rules of Tajweed is Fard Kifaya. What does Fard Kifaya mean? Like, Fard Kifaya means like some people know it. Okay. mandatory that some people know the tajweed rules, okay? But it's mandatory on everyone, okay? Mandatory on
What
everyone
the
to read
hell is a rough
Quran
back?
properly, okay? You can read Quran properly without knowing the names of the rules by just
Yo.
listening, okay?
Okay.
I can say the ayah right, you can repeat after me. You read the ayah right following the tajweed rules without knowing the names of the tajweed the rules. That happens? Yes, that happens. You can read Quran properly without knowing the
I must
tajweed
stop training.
rules. Okay?
Yeah.
So reading the Quran properly, following the tajweed rules is mandatory on everyone. Okay? Everyone, it's compulsory on everyone to
Holy
read the
lag.
Quran with the rules of tajweed. Okay? But it's compulsory that some people in the
You can
community
never rage play.
know the rules of the tajweed. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. خلاص. That can be it for tajweed. Then, inshallah, we can start from next lesson, inshallah. Next class, inshallah. So we can do Quran, inshallah, now.